Hi guys, I welcome all of you to our CPC training module, which is a examination training module. So today we are going to deal with the integumentary chapter of the CPD manual. So this is called dermatology coding. So if you master the entire series of coding, you can certainly be a dermatology coder. Okay, so let's go into the topic. So the CPD manual, especially with the surgical section, begins with the integumentary system. The codes are classified, it is in two ways. So one is based on the medical condition. So what exactly is the problem of the patient? Is the patient presenting with an actinic keratosis or a wart or a cherry angioma? So what is the condition? So we have codes for the conditions. So go with that. And secondarily, when you go to the codes for the conditions, you will have to figure out certain other parameters like, what is the number of lesions, number of those conditions. Is the doctor giving injection for that one particular lesion, or is it treating several other lesions? And thirdly, the type of method, the method that the physician employs in treating those conditions. Based on that, our coding is different. Thirdly, the measurements.